Wadoke County ma Kisii nurses matiyo ute Thieth County ma Kisii ochako ng'anyo ka giwacho ni gisebedo kod lwasi marach mar tich ka osara bende pok ochulgi kuom dweche adek mokalo. Nurses go koni kata biro ni piny owacho mar county no osebedo ka singo bero ngimagi. Pok gineno lokruok moro amora nyaka sani. Thoth gi olor nigi udi mag dakie kuom rem chulo weg udigo ka gidwaro bende mondo tend county oduoke tich jowetegi mamoko mane chungie tich nikech ne giriwore gi jowetegi e ng'anyo maduong' mane otimore pacho ka higa mokalo.
We had given the Kisii County government a strike notice on 26 July 2022, and they worked on that within 1 week. So we started our strike on 1st of August 2022. Up to date, the Kisii County government has not responded. It doesn't care. It has an attitude of doesn't care, and we are telling the Kenyans that henceforth that we are energizing our strike today, and our strike will continue until such time our demands are met. And we are now saying, along the salaries, that the government should ensure that all these nurses, their salaries of the month of December 2020, January and February of 2021 should be paid alongside the June and July salaries.
Ongwae, mama, kama huwezi chunga watoto wako, kama huwezi peleka watoto wako shule, kama huwezi lipa rent, kama huwezi fanyia kitu chochote familia yako, watoto ni wagonjwa, NHIF is not paid, everything is not paid. How do you expect people to work seriously? Be human, kindly pay us our salary.
Tutaenda nyumbani, kila muuguzi aenda apige kula benya anaona, akae nyumbani atulie. Hao mapolitician na Kisii County government waone vile watafanya kusaidia wauguzi katika mahospitali.